Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are talking about this unit that I got from Amazon.com. I did decide that I was going to order a 30-inch 4x4 closure deep wave wig to share with you all today. It comes from this hair company, BLY hair company. It came within 2 days because your girl has Prime. Okay, spend that little extra coin and get that Prime because the shipping is super fast. This is how it looks straight out the package. I did notice that the ends were on the thinner side compared to the rest of the unit, and it is your standard factory cap, and it comes with this comb, this unnecessary comb that a lot of these wigs come with. You do not need this comb. There's no use for it, but it comes with it. I do want to get into more Amazon hair companies because I do have a lot of clients that typically they like to order hair or wigs from these companies and send it into my services to have it customized, custom colored, custom made, all that good stuff. So I wanted to just take a look and see what was available. So I am checking out the hairline. The lace is on the tad bit flimsy side, so it's real delicate, and the hairline is not pre-plucked, and the knots, I knew off the bat they was going to give me hell, but let's go ahead and get into the review. Guys, so I'm gonna be talking just a little bit with you guys. Here is the wig. I'm just putting a little bit of my contour shade. I noticed that not using my actual face powder but my contour shade actually helps transparent lace blend in a lot better. I did bleach the knots on this wig and I customized the hairline, added 2 little swoops on the side. This lace is very delicate, so do not use high heat on the lace when customizing because you will burn a hole in the lace, okay? So I'm just gonna cut this lace off with these little shears you can find on my website. We have it. Lace is all cut. I like to pre-style my wigs on a mannequin head so that it is simply easier for me to install. So it's all styled, customized, and ready to go. I'm going to use my lace gel that you can find on the website. This is a full-size one. This is not glue, but it acts like glue and it just helps give you like an extra hold for your lace. So I'm just gonna put that right here. Let it get a little tacky or whatnot. And voila, that is it. You might have to spray something, or you could use the hair to kind of camouflage that. I'm gonna get some spritz and spray that so it can stay down. Okay, so I'm back and the unit is popping. Yeah, so this is 180% density. It is a natural fullness. I do notice that the ends are a lot thinner compared to the rest of the unit. I did run my fingers through the ends a little bit just to kind of give it more density, more fullness. But like I said, it's a natural density, which is pretty okay for the price. So with curly and wavy hair, shedding is to be expected, tangling is to be expected, especially in the nape area. So definitely have a curly hair routine or like a wavy hair routine down pack. I personally like to use water and mousse, and that just gets the job done for me. Along with that, I use a Denman brush just to kind of get the water and mousse, you know, through my unit, just to have the waves popping and detangle it at the same time. When it comes down to bleaching the knots, be sure you're using like a high volume, like I would say about 40-50 volume developer, because these knots are kind of on the tedious side of bleaching and processing. So definitely use a higher quality bleach to bleach your knots. I think I want to get into doing more Amazon hair reviews because I have a lot of clients. If they can't afford to go through my company or my hair vendor, they prefer, you know, to provide their own units. And a lot of the wigs that my clients send are from Amazon and AliExpress and other Chinese hair companies. So I like to compile like a list of companies that I recommend. So I would actually put this this company on the list of Amazon hair companies that I recommend because it is affordable, and the hair is actually pretty good. It's just the lace. If you don't know what you're doing, then you'll probably mess it up. Okay, so that's why I did this video, so that if you were curious about this wig, this specific wig from this company, here you are, and here's what I did to it. You know, with Amazon hair companies, a lot of them have warehouses in the US, so you are able to get your wig super fast, especially if you have Prime, typically within 2 to 3 days. With me, I get it within 2 days, so that's how long it took for me to get the unit. I'll have it linked down below just in case if you're in the market for a grab and go unit that's 30 inches and really cute. Like I said before, definitely be careful with using heat because this lace will melt and burn and you don't want that. So yeah, overall this is a pretty good unit to just have so that you could grab and go. It's a closure unit, so you don't have to worry about the ear tabs or really needing to use adhesive. I use my lace gel like almost all the time now, because I just like that extra added oomph and that melt with the lace, so that, you know, the lace is not flapping or curling up or nothing like that. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.